Please, sorry about that. Don't mind this naughty girl. So today we've been talking about aspiration pneumonia for some time now, yes. And we've been tasked to do some decor. You all know baby DM's 1 year celebration, some balloon decor there. Yeah, so I have this opportunity to decorate the place. So as you see, we started with our balloon decor. It's looking nice. Yay! This is my crew member. She's called Gracie. Yes, so I'm doing the decor with Grace. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. This is how long we want it to be. Yeah. Looking so beautiful. I love it. So we are coming to work on the base of our balloon decor. This is what we've done so far. We are working on this and we decided to take a break because we are hungry. Yeah, so we have a dancer in our midst. Let's see her dance moves. I mean, show them. So we are done with this garland. This will be for the top of our decor. I like the color combinations, yeah. The floral designs we are getting in there. And then we are doing this. We are now done with our decor. It's past 12 a.m. Super tired. Super tired. My eyes are all puffy. I need my rest, my beauty rest. Yes, so this is what we've been able to do. It's beautiful. Let me turn my camera and show you properly. It's very nice. Um, I'm excited how it has turned out. I'm just praying tomorrow everything will go on well. Yeah, we'll be able to fix it. How I wish like we had access to the room, like by now it will be fixed. And then tomorrow we don't have much to be done. But unfortunately we couldn't get access to the room we'll be using for the launch. So we just have to make use of our own conference room. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah. See ya. My cool leader is supposed to carry this banner today. Conference room. See how she is murmuring that what murmur there though. Straighten the thing. We don't want creases in the thing. Eh? Eh? Who better so? What did they better banner so? Eh? Stop aspiration. Aspiration kills. Whew. I can't just take some time. Finally have access to the place, so we are on our way to go and decorate the place. See Emilia seriously fixing the banner. Yay! Go Amy! So guys, we've been able to finish with the decor. So this is what we've been able to do so far. Rate my work. I hope you did well, yeah. I love how it's looking already. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. I love how it's looking. At least we did justice to the place. Though we had limited time, but we were able to push something through. Yeah. So see you guys later.
and they rushed the child to the hospital. We did everything we can, but the child died on the spot. To make matters worse, a few weeks following, another one came. This time, parents thought she had taken some poisonous substance, and the community people told the mom to give palm oil. Another person also advised that she should go and buy activated charcoal, and they forcefully fed this child with all these substances, and everything just went to the lungs. This child tried for her life, unfortunately did not make it.
Every day we die.